The curtain rises on a small town scene, beneath the lights where dreams are seen. In this old rustic theater where the folks gather round, love's the star of the night in our little town. She wore her heart on a sequin sleeve. He was a farm boy, you better believe. There I met across that magic stage, two hearts intertwined on life's third page. Country music and theater nights, casting shadows in the soft moonlight. Love's a melody, love's a play. In this country town, it finds a way. They sang songs of heartache and dreams, in harmonies that could mend the seams of a life sewn together with thread worn thin. The stage lit their love, let the story begin. Under the stars, near the backstage door, they found something they'd been searching for. Their lines and lyrics so naturally clear. In the rhythm of love, they held no fear. Country music and theater nights, casting shadows in the soft moonlight. Love's a melody, love's a play. In this country town, it finds a way. I was just a boy, bare feet on the ground, roamed the night as the moonlight found that old forest path where the tall pines stood, lost in the whispering sound of the woods. Daddy warned me about the forest deep call. Reckon I didn't listen, I was too small. Now I'm grown, but still hear that cry, lost in the pines where shadows lie. Lost in the forest where the wild things roam, where my heart feels at peace and my soul's at home. Lost in the forest under star-filled skies, where the memories linger and the old truths lie. Met a girl neath the canopy's grace. She had fire in her eyes and dirt on her face. We talked till the dawn about dreams and fears, lost in the pines, sharing hope and tears. Seasons changed and we drifted apart, still hear her laughter echo in my heart. Though she's gone, her spirit's enshrined, lost in the forest, forever entwined. Lost in the forest where the wild things roam, where my heart feels at peace and my soul's at home. Lost in the forest under star-filled skies, where the memories linger and the old truths lie. Lost in the forest where the wild things roam, my heart feels at peace, and my soul's at home, lost in the forest, under star-filled skies, where the memories linger and the old truths lie. Going down the main street, past the rusty old barn, crickets singing in the evening, town feeling so warm. Tuning into that old radio, melody so clear. In between the song lines, the local news would appear. Mama reads the paper, sipping on sweet iced tea. Papa's fixing the tractor, the radio next to his knee. Little Joe kicks a can, learning old country tunes. Sunsetting slow under a big bright moon. Country music on the radio, small town news in print. Bring it life to the simple joys where our days are spent. Stories of our neighbors shared with a soulful cruise, underneath the stars by the light of the old saloon. Miss Daisy won the pie bank, it's on the front page. Johnny's gone to Nashville, dreams can't be caged. Local heroes, whippers shared with a soulful crew, underneath the stars by the light of the old saloon. Miss Daisy won the pie bank, it's on the front page. Johnny's gone to Nashville, dreams can't be caged. Local heroes whisper secrets, trials and jubilee, each headline a story, a piece of our history. The DJ's voice, warm as a firelight's glow, reading obituaries, love and loss in the flow. Between Merle and Dolly, spinning tales so true, life here in the valley, through the songs it grew. Country music on the radio, small town news and print, bringing life to the simple joys where our days are spent. Stories of our neighbors shared with a soulful cruise, underneath the stars by the light of the old saloon. In a one-horse town where the river winds, I used to sit and watch the trains go by. Mama said, child, keep a dream in mind, one day you'll kiss the small town goodbye. I would work the fields till the sun lay low, sweating out the worry in the cool night breeze. He'd say, son, don't fear the seed you sow. With hard work, you can be whatever you please. Chasing dreams underneath the same old sky, sweating out the worry in the cool night breeze. He'd say, son, don't fear the seed you sow. With hard work, you can be whatever you please. Chasing dreams underneath the same old sky, running down that road where freedom lies. Even if the road gets rough and steep, with a heart full of fire, you gotta believe. Grandma's porch swing had stories of gold, of dreams that led her through the hard years. She Stay a child, don't let your dreams grow old. Laughter and tears will chase off your fears. The bright city lights were a distant call as I packed my bags in the dead of night. Left behind that small town and its walls for a future drawn by my heart.